It's their first time to meet a black guy.
Hello.
Hello, what is your name?
My name
My name Chloe.
Claw.
Ô, ba là bẹp lỗ.
Hello, good to see you.
Yeah, see you.
Good to see you. Welcome guys to this channel, and there are some handsome guys. It's their first time to meet a black guy.
Hello.
Hello, what is your name?
My name
My name Chloe.
Claw. What is your name?
Hello.
But
Huh?
but
But
my name ấy.
My name is Sin.
Sen.
Tô Thiện.
Ah, good.
Yeah.
Good to see you. They're really nice. So guys, we are in Cambodia,
Cambodia.
and this is one of the most popular and famous market. What is the name?
Orussey Market.
Orussey.
Yeah.
Can you see that word? Yeah, Orussey Market. So
Yeah.
you are the dad?
What?
You're the father to this
Yeah,
kid?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this is the dad, and I came to say hello to him because he's one of the most famous chef in Cambodia.
Yeah.
Next is their video. I'll put his video while cooking, okay? And I want to show you what he cooks. Yeah, he's the biggest chef. He makes the food fire boom like crazy. So I kept time.
Yeah.
He's here doing it. He's a hardworking man, just to make sure that he makes the ends meet. So he works from here. This is his workplace, okay? Now this is the environment. Guys, look at that. Beautiful. Time check is 4 p.m. It's 4 p.m. Cambodian time.
Just here.
Ô, ba là bẹp lỗ.
Bánh nướng.
Vâng. Bạn có đây. có ba to đấy kìa ha, mình là ba to đấy kìa này.
Yeah, man. My name is William. Make sure to subscribe, support this channel, and leave a comment. What do you think about these Asian guys? Have you ever tried street food? In Africa, yes, we have street food, but not so much. How about where you're watching from? Keep it locked. Don't move any inch. See you then.